We will to perish on the guns of the foe and still get ready. Airborne from skies of blue, heading the glow. We're coming, hit the ocean, take your boats today. Let's go put on your... And today on Have a Knife Day, we're going to be continuing with knife number 3 on my What the Buck Did I Buy at the Buck Knives tour at Post Falls, Idaho. Now, I have been seeing this on the Buck Knives Facebook forums for quite some time. And I heard tell you can get them at Walmart, but gee whiz, every time I go to a Walmart, they don't have any. So when I saw this in the showroom, I bought it. So here is 120 years of Buck Knives history, established in 1902. And this is a classic, excuse me there, buddy. There you go. I'm going to open this up. Now, the really neat thing, and we'll see how long this stays up here with Knife Cat. So this is what you get. You get a coin. Okay. And what does that coin look like? Why, there is Mr. Hoyt Buck himself on one side, and on the other, the famous Buck 110, celebrating 120 years of Buck Knives. And it has this little thing here. But of course, what we're really here for. I'm gonna fight this. Don't worry, everyone. I do my own stunts. I am a trained professional. I know. Yeah. High five. So here is this beautiful, beautiful Buck 110. $120 years, stamped Buck 110, USA. And I've been shining this one up too. There's something really calming about taking some Neverdol and shining up your brass. It's like shining up Knife Cat's face right here with a scratch. Check that out. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to take a break. I'm going to get some information and tell you a little bit more about this knife. Now, this knife celebrates the 120 years of Buck Knives, which started in 1902. A young Kansas blacksmith named Hoyt Heath Buck set out to develop a heat treat and tempering process that would allow steel to be tough enough for the rigors of hard work, but also retain an edge longer than anything he had encountered before. Through trial and error, he preserved and ultimately achieved his goal. The result, the very first Buck knife. In 2022, 120 years later, Buck Knives is proud to celebrate Hoyt's achievement with a special 120th anniversary commemorative 110 Folding Hunter and coin set. The 110 Folding Hunter is one of the most recognized and collected knives in the world. Classic brass bolsters with genuine ebony inlays. The 110 Folding Hunter is a high-quality, reliable locking folder. Easy opening with the nail notch on the blade and a lockback design for strength and safety. The Buck 110 Folding Hunter never goes out of style. This special anniversary set includes knife, commemorative coin, and genuine leather sheath, and an attractive collectible tin. Razor sharp clip point blade is 3 3/4. 428C stainless steel clip point blade has excellent strength, edge retention, and is corrosion resistant. The clip point blade has a very sharp controllable point and is good for detail work, piercing, and slicing. Strength and safety, easy to open with a nail notch on the blade. Right there. The lockback mechanism locks the blade open for reliable strength and safety while you work. Close length is 4 7/8 of an inch, weighing in at 7.2 ounces. Responsible partnering with Taylor Guitars, the 110 Folding Hunter has sustainably sourced genuine ebony handle inlays and brass bolsters that provide a perfect combination of beauty and balance. Convenient carry includes a genuine high-quality protective leather sheath with snap, fastener. The integrated belt loop allows for safety and secure carry on your belt for easy access. The 110 Folding Hunter is perfect as a hunting companion or for general outdoor use. Standing the test of time, the 110 Folder Hunter, after 50 years, is still one of America's best-selling knives and one that's handed down from generation to generation. This version commemorates the 120th anniversary of founder Hoyt H. Buck's first knife in 1902. Celebrating 120 years, special commemorative collector's tin and coin included 120th anniversary laser etch on blade with a forever warranty because these knives last so long, they go from generation to generation. Now, I have something here that I've been trying out. I get these from, I'm a technician, I repair machinery. So I found one of these, and you could put multi-tools and flashlights in this, but I have been using this for my buck knives. Now, all you gotta do is remember, this has no bottom. So I've been sliding this in here, and the good thing is I can carry it horizontally, or vertically on my belt as I feel fit to do, with that little peak of brass coming up. Let's go inside of this, and what you'll find inside is, of course, amongst other things, silica included. Let's take a look at this real quick. Natural markings, a message from the Buck family. This caution, and of course, don't eat this. That is silica. That is right, my friends. See if I can successfully navigate this back into its commemorative tin. Thusly. And there you go. Knife 3 in the series. Very nice traditional black leather sheath. And a knife so very popular that I am happy to add into my collection. Well, thank you so much for spending time here today with me and Knife Cat. We greatly appreciate it. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. We do have a motorcycle driving by sharing its lovely pipes with us. And we do have a Etsy store where you can get some official Have a Knife Day merch. And as always, let me see, it holds it pretty darn good there, Jet. That's right. And as always, have a knife day. We will all the guns of the forces. Get ready. Airborne from skies of blue. Ready to go. We're coming. Make your jumps and take your bows today. Let's go put on your boots. Your jumping boots, your parachute. Your parachute. Get all those gliders ready to attack today. Look up or we'll be gone. Pouring our jet into the dawn. And station time to fight them all the 82nd way. Hey!